We're going to talk about multiplying binomials. There's two methods for multiplying binomials. The first one is called FOIL. FOIL stands for first. So that means we're going to multiply the first two terms in each parentheses together first. So this x times x is x squared. O stands for outside terms. So that means we're going to multiply the two terms that are on the outside of each parentheses. So that's the 4 times x. So 4 times x is 4x. I stands for inside. So we'll multiply the two terms on the inside. So that's the 2 times x, which is 2x. And L stands for last. And that's the two terms at the end or the last of each parentheses. So that's 2 times 4, which is 8. Now we want to write this in simplified form, so we need to add any like terms. So the two terms in the middle are like terms, so we can add those together and get x squared plus 6x plus 8. Little man. Okay, let's try another one. Once again, we're going to use FOIL. F stands for the first term. So 3x times x, 3x squared. O stands for the outside terms. Oh, I don't know what that was. 3x times 4 is 12x. I stands for the inside terms. So negative 1 times x is negative 1x. And L stands for the last term. So negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. Once again, simplify the two terms in the middle. So that's 3x squared plus 11x minus 4. Okay, let's let you try one. Pause the video right here so that you can work the problem and then start it back up to check it. FOIL. First term is x times x, x squared. Outside terms, x times negative 8, negative 8x. Inside terms, 6 times x. And the last term, 6 times negative 8 is negative 48. Add the two like terms in the middle. Negative 8x plus 6x is negative 2x minus 48. Sometimes you have special cases, and the special case that we're going to look at next is called the product of a sum and a difference. Okay, it's just a different problem. We're going to use the same method. We're going to use the FOIL method to do the first two terms, x squared, the outside terms, negative 4x, the inside terms, positive 4x, and the last terms, negative 16. Add the two like terms in the middle. Negative 4x plus positive 4x is 0. Those cancel out. So that leaves us with x squared minus 16. So what you see when we multiply x plus 4 times x minus 4, that middle term cancels out and we're left with a binomial. You try. Pause the video here. Okay, let's use our same method. FOIL. First term, 3t times 3t, 9t squared. Outside terms, 3t times negative 4s is negative 12st. Inside terms, 4s times 3t is positive 12st. And the last term, 4s times negative 4s is negative 16s squared. Add the two like terms in the middle, and once again, they cancel out. Negative 12st plus 12st cancel out, and that leaves us with 9t squared minus 16s squared. Okay, now this is the last special case. This is called squaring binomials. All right, so when we look at this, we see x plus 7 squared. And the first look at it, we would just want to square the x and square the 7. That's not how you work it. When we see x plus 7 squared, that means x plus 7 times itself. So we're going to rewrite it so that x plus 7 is multiplied times itself. And then we just use the FOIL method like we did before. So f times f, or first term times first term, is x squared. Outside terms, 7x. Inside terms, 7x. And the last two terms, 49. X squared plus 14x plus 49. And you tried this one. Pause the video here. Okay, remember, we're not going to square both of these terms. We're going to square the whole expression. So we're going to rewrite the expression 4 minus 3x times 4 minus 3x. Same method, FOIL. So first term, 4 times 4, 16. O is the outside term, negative 12x. I stands for the inside term, negative 12x. And L stands for the last term, negative 3x times negative 3x is positive 9x squared. Add the two like terms together in the middle. So that's 16 minus 24x plus 9x squared. Notice that this is written in ascending order. If you want to write it in descending order, you just rearrange it and put 9x squared minus 24x plus 16. All right, tomorrow you're going to be creating a flip grid over the information you learned this week. That would be the degrees of polynomials, classifying the polynomials, adding polynomials, and multiplying polynomials. So just kind of study those notes and make sure you understand how to do those, because you will be able to do that. You'll need the app on your phone if you don't already have it, and you'll need to be able to access either a computer or tablet if you don't have the app on your phone. Next, I'm going to be showing you how to multiply binomials using the box method. All right, good luck.